Good morning, guys. Say good morning, Baba. Baba. Say good morning. Uy, say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Ang kulit. Where are we going? Playground. Okay. We're going to Cagsawa sa Legazpi. Magano kami sa mayon. Well, it's raining. Hopefully mamaya wala ng ulan. Ang dilim. Maaga pa. Alas 6 pa lang. Wala pa akong makeup. Dito na lang mag-makeup sa sasakyan. Baba. Say hi.
Hi.
Aga mo nagising. Alas 4 gising ka na. Tapos naligo. Sabi niya, I want to have a shower. Hello. We're here. Cagsawa. So tired. Mauran nga
Hindi
ni.
mo pinat. Then may gamit po doon. Hindi may gamit doon. May tayo. Oo, kapote ninyo.
Na, maulan na. Maadiklomon. Hi guys, nandito kami sa... Kaya nga eh.
Ikot-ikot.
Sama ka na lang doon sa ano, sa tour guide. Kaya ganun ka din. Magano kami, drive kami ATV.
Pangat naman ang sign natin. Bayad din yung ba?
You're right?
Your name is signature. Yun lang.
Kaya try ni Neil kung kaya niyang ano yun si Veronica.
We just did some ATV work at with Lava, which is a ATV company.
How's your experience?
Good fun.
Awesome
Nice.
experience.
You like it, bub?
Good. Wait, come on, let's go. Okay, guys. Camera phone ng camera ko yung gamit ko. Ako sa Jollibee, guys. What do you want? Oy. What's that one? Huh?
Like a big sound.
It's a towel. It's a beach towel. Ano? Bakit yung mag-TV, guys? Ito na pala, clay monitor. Meron na pala silang ganito para makdo. Baba, what did we buy in Jollibee? Show them.
Elmo.
What?
Elmo.
Ano Elmo? Towel.
It's a elmo.
It's a Jollibee towel, Baba. Hooded towel. Nandito kami guys sa Daraga Church. Kumain na kami sa Jollibee. Hindi naman kita talaga naman ng mayon. Nagtago talaga siya guys. Oh, wala. Mayon is not existing right now. So, I don't know. Yun na natin. Yung pipicture lang tayo dito.
Sabi nila kapag di nagpapakita.
Ang reason kung ba't hindi nagpapakita?
Kapag di nagpapakita, may team daw ang budhi.
Ikaw yun.
Ikaw yun. Oh, may team mong singit.
Ikaw yun. O nga, hindi ko ba nakita ang mayon eh. Maitim pala talaga singit ko. Hindi maitim ang bad dito.
Alas your mommy.
Dito tayo sa Daraga Church. Yeah, blow the clouds away. There you go. Come on, Mayon. Oh no, bro. Ala. Dito kami sa Cagsawa again, guys. May Cagsawa Resort? Pa. Ito na yung Cagsawa Church, oh. Dati sa picture ko lang ito nakikita. Hindi ko pa na nakikita in person, eh. Yan. O, diba? Papakuta yung ganyang litrato. Magkano yung ganyan? Donation lang. Donation? Sige. Oh. Bao, come here. Kami dito kay ate. Yan. Kunwari na binubuhat. Wala yung mayon guys. Nagtago. Yan. Donation lang daw ma. Donation lang. Ah, that's cute. Bob, you do it too, Bob? You do it too yourself? Huh? Yeah, you just stand up there. Kunin yung bato. Like, yeah. Like you're carrying a rock. Mayon is invisible today. Ayan, napapicture sila. May director pa. Abang kami. PA.
Renegade.
Renegade. Ano kaya effect niyan? Neil, insert picture please. Ayan, sige pa. Picture pa more. Sige, hala. They look funny without the photo yet. Veronica, your dress! Hey, put down your dress. There. How about mama? Oh, sige, hala ka ma. Baby, ko pa. Baby. Si Nicole naman. Eruption. Ito na lang natira guys, diba? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung history ko.
We googled this one, didn't we?
I think we did, yeah.
Remember we
Wait, stay here.
was on TV, wasn't it?
Volcano still hiding.
On, like Facebook, they made a little document on Facebook about it, and you were like, "Oh, this is where my mum."
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just that left. Imagine how far is it from the Mayon? From the mountain?
Yeah, although it's pretty flat, like from there.
Mayon! Magpakita ka na Mayon! Saan na dito magpa-picture? Papi! It's called, yeah, 1814. My history is right. Are you gonna fly your drone?
I want to go over here.
Come on, let's go. Papi, come on. Ito yung likod niya, guys. Ayan. Labuyo, ice cream? Gusto daw niya try yung sili labuyo ice cream. Do you want sili ice cream?
Silly ice cream.
Yeah. Chili. It's chili ice cream.
Silly ice cream. Silly ice cream. Is it hot?
I don't know. Mama, try mo na? It's really spicy, Mama said.
Like spicy, like really spicy, like hot sauce spicy, or?
Yeah, there, they have it here. We can, you want to try? Wow, ganda doon, Ma, oh. I love sili bicol.
Hello, maraming flower.
Ito is Kokoy's Food Garden. Ayan, mga souvenir.
Doon na mo sa ano. May bayad yata.
Saan? Ayun, ice cream. Tingnan natin yung ice cream. That. Scrub your dirt away. You want to try that?
Hello, Bobby.
Oy, oy, oy. Hala, Mama. Look, oh, frog. Ang ganda nito, oh. I like this one.
Diyan ma'am, 75 po.
Ang isa? Tatlo 200?
Opo. Yung dito ma'am, tatlo 100.
Itong maliliit.
Opo.
Ito din.
Opo.
Kasama siya.
Tatlo 100. Pwede siya ma'am assorted.
Do you want a fridge magnet?
Yeah, we should get a big one. Tell it's not gonna break.
Do you want a big one or big one or
Medium.
that one? This one. I like that one. It's
It's an
7.
actual lava rock.
I don't know. He said it's
Most
actual.
probably. Feels like it.
Ganda, guys.
Well, I don't know what a lava rock is like.
Ay, wala. Asa may ice cream dito? Dito. Ah, dito pala. Sili ice cream. Gusto daw i-try ni Neil. You wanna try the sili ice cream? Alright. Pabili po. Isang sili ice cream. Baba, do you want ice cream, Bob? Do you want ice cream?
May ano po siya, level 1, 2.
Ah, there's level. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Hindi masyado pang manghang.
Strawberry sa
Okay. So,
level 2.
And chocolate left.
may chocolate po sa level 3.
Level 3 chocolate.
Naroon tigyo.
Level 3.
And what? Level 3? Just get level 2. May ice cream po. Ay, may chocolate po sa level 2.
Like, is it
Wala.
mainit? Like mainit?
It's really spicy.
Hindi naman.
May ano po manghang. Try. Level 3. Level 3 daw po. Chocolate.
Let's try.
Ano pa pong iba yung ice cream na hindi po maanghang? Baba, what do you want? Do you want chocolate, Bob? Ay, drumstick. You want drumstick?
Chili ice cream to.
This one. Ito na lang po ata yung chocolate po. Ma, gusto niyo ma-ice cream? Nicole, gusto ma-ice cream? Kami dito, guys. Ang daming flowers. Tapos meron na. Wait, picture natin si Neil. Okay, smile. 1, 2. Okay, one more.
Very, very windy. Baba, no.
Monica, we take a picture with the flower, Bob. Oh, with the Nicole.
Lay back, Baba. Relax. Relaxing? I'll rock you. Yeah. What? Come on, the ice cream's going to be milk soon. Alright, let's do this.
Ice cream
Spoon.
ba yan? Chocolate.
Ito kay Veron kay hindi saan.
Got my spoon in my pocket. I think. Alright.
Let me know if I can.
What's this called? Silly ice cream. Level 3, so there's like 3 levels of water.
Whoa, it's really windy.
Whoa.
I don't want to use this.
So big.
Is it really bad?
It's like...
May ice cream saan mo.
I got through that much. Probably about half of it.
Nah,
But I bought some more chocolate ice cream because
that's, yeah, it's too much. You're gonna have upset tummy.
it's like the aftertaste is
Yeah, Tatanico is heavy picture.
strong.
Very,
Very
very strong. Palang.
chocolate ice cream.
Grabe, that's too much. That's really spicy. You should try this level 1.
Mm.
No, you're just here like.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, the fire has gone now.
My hair's gone now. Where's the rubbish bin?
It is.
There, oh. You do it, need to put it in.
So that was it. That was the one that I got.
At least you've tried it.
See.
Experience to taste it.
The level 3. Burn factor.
No, kalahati niya. Oh, puti na lang.
You try it.
I don't like. You've tried before. Just ask the.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
it's like sobra windy.
Still can't see the volcano very well because of the cloud, black cloud.
I'm like amazed by this church. How that's like the top of the church, and what we're standing on now is probably like, I don't know, we're like higher than what the church used to be on the ground because of the lava, the volcanic eruption. It's pretty crazy. So under us right now is a church. I'm a bit, yeah, baffled by that, but I'm gonna Google it when I get home.
Hi guys, we are just going to close this vlog. Today is our last night here in Bicol. It's been a long day today, but ang amin naman ang mukha natin dito, ang pula. Kasi nito kami sa, what room is this? What's the name of this room? Pink room. Yeah. Room to ni Nicole, guys. Ayan, room na to. Andun kami sa room ni Camille. Ay, hindi na ako nakapag-room tour. Anyway, house tour. Ililive ko na lang yung link na ginawa ng kapatid ko. Nag-house tour siya. Leave ko na lang dyan, oh. Thinking. So, yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our Bicol vlog. Bicol vlog. Tomorrow we're going back to Manila. We only have 1 week to go and we're going back to Australia. Whoa! Ay, naantog. Say bye. Say bye. See ya. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see ya. Bye.
Ako naman.
Somewhere in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change.